Welcome to a mental projection journey to meet with the Alpha Centauri collective, these beautiful galactic warriors embodying a galactic suit of silver gray energy, long blonde hair. They're coming in our etheric temple, the octahedron. We're creating a mutual collective together, and they are activating our solar plexus with this rainbow technology, giving us a rainbow staff that has also this rainbow technology. Together we are creating a beautiful massive gemstone technology in the center of our collective, which start activating our left side, our feminine side, moving into our heart, our throat. We are also welcoming a lord of this Alpha Centauri collective that is also sending us massive activation, entering our feet, moving up our leg, activating our spine. Please share below your experience. Thank you so much. Welcome to a mental projection journey to meet the Alpha Centauri and activate our solar plexus. Bring attention to your heart center. Visualize a pink torus field pulsating in the front, creating the fractal of coherence, strings of energy merging in harmony. We're creating beautiful patterns. All the cells in your chest are boiling faster. Bring the currents in the back of your heart. This beautiful pink pulsating out of the torus field in the back with beautiful patterns. Every cell has their own torus field vibrating in coherence, in oneness. Everything is restructuring in your organs. Bring the currents in your arms, your hands, your fingers. They are extension of your heart. And we are moving to my octahedron temple. It's a four-sided crystal glass pyramid with another one under. This octahedron is spinning in the ether. It's all crystalline energy. There's a crystalline transparent flame and a bit of pink in the center. We're creating a circle all around with our collective, calling in all starseed on earth. My white line is in the center, holding a golden staff, blue gemstone technology, and he starts swirling this golden staff blue gemstone technology up in the air, creating a tornado of blue light codes that is then sending to you. You're receiving it in your heart, through your whole body in the front. The tornado gets wider and wider. It's taking over the whole temple, and you are submerged inside of this tornado of blue light codes. It's activating your whole light body, your physical body. He's going to each and every one of you. He's pressing on your forehead with his blue gemstone technology on top of his staff, activating your third eye. And we are welcoming the collective of Alpha Centauri, embodying a warrior spacesuit of gray silver energy. They're all having blonde hair, white skin. They look a bit like the Pleiadians, but they are different. They don't necessarily have blue eyes. Their face are less structured. And they're creating a circle behind us. Coming on your right side, the whole collective of Alpha Centauri are males, activating your masculine energy. They're helping you hold a warrior staff on your right hand, helping you remember your inner warrior, your galactic warrior. And they are moving energy with their hands, activating your solar plexus. back and forth, in the front and the back. It's like they are twisting, unlocking. And they are putting a pale rainbow gemstone technology in your solar plexus. And then there's a pale rainbow technology on top of your staff that they gave you in your right hand. It's a long silver, dark gray staff. Now everybody in our collective is embodying the same energy, this pale rainbow technology in the solar plexus with the staff, and we're all lined up a bit like a galactic army. Now they are merging with our circle. One human starseed, one alpha Centauri. One human starseed, one alpha Centauri. We're creating one collective together, holding hands, and we start circulating this pale rainbow technology energy, receiving it from our left hand, moving to our arm, our heart, then giving back to our right arm, right hand to the other. It's circulating through the collective, activating the whole temple. The temple become electric. As we are raising the energy together, becoming one, the vortex become more powerful. This beautiful tornado in the center is becoming this electric pale rainbow, and we're welcoming a massive being. It's a non-dual being that feels like a lord, a logo of our solar system. It's a silhouette, warrior energy, very wide and massive in size. It's like the energy of a gorilla. It's like, whoa. We're all bowing to this being that is commanding, leading the Alpha Centauri and this starseed collective. This being has a similar silver staff with that rainbow technology, but way bigger. It's anchoring it on the ground, smashing it on the ground. The ground start vibrating. We start receiving activation in our foot. The chakra in our feet are opening. The energy is entering our legs, moving up our spine. And he's smashing it again. Another activation wave of energy entering our foot, up the leg, up the spine, up the head. And a third time, smashing it again. Washunaki yaki shu shushu yatia na ye shunaki ya. Unaki yashi naki ye. Onaiti yashu teki ya. Ushi yake. Naki yatu naki ya. We're all remembering the collective mission. Our galactic warrior archetype. All of us now, we're holding each other on the shoulder. A bit like a football team gathering, getting closer to each other. The circle is getting tighter. We're becoming a big family. All our heads are tilted down a bit, and there's a whole singing, a primal, tribal energy. Watakia kushukia enake yanekia shunakia Unaki ati anake. Amunaki naki shi ati kiana. Nai ate. O naki ati nake ya inaki ashi ate. Au naki naki ate ya nai ashi ake. We start receiving an activation, our forehead. We start seeing differently with our third eye. We start seeing like a flashlight of this pale rainbow technology coming out of our third eye. Together we're creating a collective gemstone. As we are shooting this ray of energy from our third eye to the center, there's this beautiful pale rainbow gemstone that is emerging. This collective gemstone has its own consciousness. It's the consciousness of one, of all of us together, anchoring our collective technology, our collective power. And we're putting our left hand, our left palm on it, feeling it, being in communion with it, receiving energy entering our left arm, moving to our heart, our throat. And we put our hands in prayer position, bowing to this gemstone, bowing to our collective, bowing to this logo, this Lord, helping us remember the depth of our galactic warrior energy, activating our solar plexus, activating this rainbow technology, remembering more of our mission and ourself. Thank you so much for showing up. Please comment your experience. Please share the video. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you.